Hello, I'm Steve Rush. I'm the CEO of Improve Consulting. I'd like to welcome you on our voyage with the Leadership Yacht Challenge.
My expectations of the day, really I had an open mind with regards to what I would get out of it. So it was around just me having some feedback and a go at looking at things in a different way. You so often see things from a perspective of theories and reading books, etc. But this really got us into having a go at it, trying something different, and also getting some feedback from each other, which is really helpful as well. So it's just a completely different environment. It was great.
What I got out of the day today was really an opportunity to really reflect on my leadership style away from the business arena and be in a real position to understand the impact that I have and the impact that I can have outside of that situation, to then really consider how I can go and employ it back in the business world. The reason I'd recommend it for leaders and executives is really an opportunity, as I've said, to get away from the business, but really to fundamentally think about, well, actually, what do I do in periods of stress? What do I do in periods of an opportunity to do something outside of my comfort zone, which I can really learn from then when I'm back in my comfort zone to really enhance the leadership performance I'm giving.
In terms of today, I've had an absolutely fantastic day, and I have no hesitation in recommending the Leadership Yacht Challenge. What I got out of it was I took myself out of my comfort zone and I worked with people in a non-sterile environment doing something which I wouldn't normally do, and the great thing it was we had great teamwork, and I was able to benefit from feedback based on the way I'd actually skippered the yacht, and it's just so fantastic, and the guys were so open and honest and encouraging. I'd recommend this to everybody.